What's going on, guys? It's Rising CPA, and in this video, I want to tell you guys a strategy that you guys should use when you're studying for the CPA exam. It doesn't matter what section, but this pertains to task-based simulations. So if you're stuck on something, move on because the chances of forgetting what you learned are high, and reviewing it will make it much easier to remember and understand. So with that being said, anytime you're taking a task-based simulation, try to complete it within the time frame that the self-studying program you're using. For me, I use Becker, so they'll say 10 to 20, 30 to 40. Try to use that time frame to do the simulation yourself. But if you're stuck, like I get stuck all the time on these task-based simulations, just try to take as much notes as possible and move on as fast as you can, because the thing is that even if you understand the task-based simulation completely and you spend 3 hours just trying to understand this task-based simulation, the chances of you forgetting that task-based simulation from the so many task-based simulations you're going to be given in that one section are very high. So it's better to you know just to throw in the towel and say, you know what, I don't completely fully understand this task-based simulation, but I tried it, I wrote some notes on it, and I'm moving on. Because now when you go and review your notes, you're going to keep reading through all the chapters and everything is going to start tying together. Anyways, that was my tip for task-based simulations when you're doing any kind of section for the CPA exam. So thank you for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe, and good luck on your exams.